Hey everybody, Happy New Year to everyone out there. Welcome to our stats video for Greenleaf Village for December 2020, but we're gonna do something a little bit special, and we're actually going to compare the overall numbers for 2019 to 2020 and see how things have bumped up. I know it's New Year. I know it looks like we have a Christmas decoration up there still, but that's actually made of rosemary, which is super cool. It was a gift that someone brought over here this year, so thanks for that. And without further ado, let's hop right in. So first, let's look at 2019. So it's all the months from 2019 averaged out versus all the months from 2020 averaged out as of the end of December. Average sale price in Greenleaf Village in 2019 on the whole was $404,000, and that bumped up just 2% to $413. But we're going to see a little bit later on that doesn't tell quite the whole story of what's happening in Greenleaf right now. In 2019, there were 42 closed sales, and that went up 33%, so a lot more homes closed in 2020 with 56 closed homes. In 2019, the average days on the market was 54 days, and that stretched out a little bit, up 6% to 57 days on the market in 2020. And the average price per square foot, this is where I see a little hint of what's happening in Nocatee, happening in Greenleaf with the low inventory. The average price per square foot in 2019, looking at the whole year, was $153. And we see a pretty healthy bump up to $163 when we average out the whole year of 2020. We're gonna see that a little more stark when we break it down a little bit more, just looking at the 2020 December stats. So last month in Greenleaf Village, we had 5 closed sales, 5 homes sold. And the average price of those homes was $422,000. Average days on the market was down significantly from that 56 down 37. So just looking at December of last year, 37 days average on the market. But when we compare the average price per square foot, just looking at December 2019 and the average price per square foot last month, we're actually up 16% to $186 a foot. Now keep in mind, smaller houses typically have a higher price per square foot. Pool homes can throw that number off a little bit, but that is significant, a very significant bump. Inventory is super low. We just listed one in there last week and we're already under contract, and everything is zipping along there really well. Man, and I still have some buyers looking to get into Greenleaf. And so if you have a house to sell, hey, maybe give me a call and we can get those guys connected right away. Save you some pain of going through the listing process. But anyways, market stats, Greenleaf Village for December 2020 and looking at the last couple of years. Hopefully it was helpful. We'll see you next month.